This is my pruning saw. It's a bit broken now. I've had it for years. I've had to replace that. The end snapped off. Really, I should buy a new one, but I thought I'd try and fix it. And then I saw this today for 50p. So I got it. In fact, yeah, I spent a 50p. I got out of the sump of a washing machine. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit. It's the wrong sized holes. I could try drilling new holes and putting it in, but it's not as good a blade. It's only got a single row of teeth. This one's got a double row. So yeah, I might just buy a new one of these. Anyway, rather than waste this, I thought I'd try and put a handle on it and I could have it as a spare pruning saw. Yeah, see how that goes. I don't know. Got this log here, I might try and do it with this. Okay, I used the old pruning saw to cut a chunk off. Yeah, it still cuts nice and clean, look at that. Let's see if we can do something with this. So I guess I need to cut a slit in it, which is as wide as one of these blades, so I'll just use this saw. So it's cutting through it all right. I think I'm down far enough. So I guess if I'm using these existing holes, it only needs to go in far enough to have them in the wood like that. Yeah, okay. Alright, I've drilled through and put these 3 little bolts through. Yeah, I mean it's a bit wobbly, but I'm hoping if I tighten these up somehow it'll be less wobbly. And then obviously I'll need to cut them off at the right height. Okay, just cut them off with a pair of bolt choppers. There it is. It took me, I don't know, 20 minutes or something. I just sanded the handle so it's more comfortable to use. It's a bit crude. I'll probably tidy that up at some point. Anyway, I'm going to try it now. Yeah, there you go. It's good. It's going through this bit of oak like butter. Not the nicest looking saw, but definitely worth 50p, I think.